Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam, and we're back in my old recording area, but that's because I have an unboxing and I didn't feel like taking this box all the way upstairs. Also, the cameraman is gone today, so I am filming this myself. You might notice a funny looking Afghan on the couch. That is something I'm working on for my son. If I'm not quilting, I'm cross-stitching. If I'm not doing those two things, I'm crocheting. Sometimes I'm scrapbooking. But anyways, the reason that I didn't want to take this box upstairs is because it looks like this. And it seems very, very big for what I ordered. This I ordered directly. It's a new bag. It is from the Coach website. I ordered it directly from them. So it came with the, show you here, let's not have my address and stuff all over, just set that down. It came like, this was already open, and I was gonna say maybe the post office opened it, but the bottom isn't taped much better. So hopefully this is okay. Like I said, it's seems really big for what I ordered. Okay, yep, okay. Let's see if I can show you this here. Okay, see what's inside there? That's what's inside there. I guess that's nice on one hand, for sure, because I like that it's, they make sure like the handles and stuff don't get smushed down, but this is from Coach. And I know you can't really tell exactly what it is yet, so we're gonna open this. This is kind of one of my favorite bag styles, and it is, I already have something in this type of leather, but I don't like it as well. I love the leather. I don't like the bag as well as I thought I would. So I got a new bag, and what I got was the Coach Rogue with the pockets. So I'm really excited about this. I'll take some of the wrapping off, and it's in the loved leather. So I already have the loved leather in the soft tabby, and mine just lays funny. The top does when I have something in it. I think it's probably just because I have too much stuff in it, but because when it's sitting on the shelf, it looks beautiful. But so when I saw this come out, I'm like, yeah, this is going to be my next love leather bag, because I love the love leather. I think it's gorgeous. So let's see, we can give you a little spin here. It's obviously factory packaged. Okay, so this is really nice. All right, so let's see. So here's the front of the bag, and as you can see, it's got one big pocket here. Let's see what's in here. Oh. Okay, a lot of stuffing. And the interior is just, oh, Coach cards. This smells good. A black, like canvas or black material. Oh, don't want to forget that. All right, so it's got just, and I love that this has silver hardware. So it's got some very nice, smooth zipper. So it's got the front pocket. Then it's got a side pocket here that, you know, I guess you could put like AirPods or something like that in it. I'm like, oh no, not another problem with the zipper. No, but there is a lot of stuffing in here. So more stuffing, but again, it's got the black material inside. And then the backside just looks like a typical Rowan. Keep saying Rogue. Rowan with pockets. And then the other side has a matching zipper pocket. so let's just make her 3 and open it up and see what's inside. And that also has the black interior. All right, so that's like butter. Okay, so then comes with this removable adjustable strap, and the one side is the loved leather, and then the other side is black. And I can already tell, oh no, they got that on separate. I'm like, why is the strap thing already gonna come off? Easy for me to show you when it's already off, but I see now that it was set up to be separate. I don't know if some people don't like them. I don't know. I noticed with a lot of Coach bags that piece comes off a lot. All right, so then now let's get to the interior, which is totally stuffed. Wow. Like, who came up with the ideas of how to stuff these? Oh, goodness. Oh, sorry. There is so much in here. It's like I packed it up with all my stuff inside. Oh my goodness. Oh, and then little pockets, foam. Okay, so what's it got inside? So the front side is nothing. It is just, there's no slip pocket, no nothing. Then the back side has a zipper pocket, and the pocket and the interior is all this black canvas. So otherwise it's just a nice big open bag. There are no feet on the bottom, but oh, I love this. I love this. I really like it. Well, number one, I love that they put the handle where you attach the handles here, because it'll be really easy to add like my own little chains to it if I want to, or different straps. I mean, I'm sure this one's fine, and I like how it's a little thicker, but I just like the versatility with that. But I love the love leather. I love this dark brown love, or I think they call it black love leather. And like I said, whenever I wear my tabby, I think the top flap lays funny. Again, probably because of everything I put in it. So I wanted a love leather bag that I knew that I would love to carry and not be like thinking, why does the top look like that? And when I saw this, I was sold immediately. Add to cart, gotta have it. I had texted Rachel from Bag Babes Coterie, and I'm like, talk me out of getting that bag, or tell me I shouldn't get the bag. And she's like, you know, I'm not gonna tell you that. And so the next text I sent her was pretty much, I bought the bag. I really like it. We know I like the Rowan already, but adding these pockets to it, just make it all the better. Here's a little hang tag, and it still reminds me of, okay, and I don't know why I never can remember, I think it was Ambassador that made the purses that they used to have the infomercials for, and the lady would have, there were so many pockets on the bag, and then inside you could snap your checkbook. And back when people used checkbooks and checkbook covers, you could snap it in, and there were different pockets for everything, and you could pull out like a coin thing. And so ever since seeing those commercials and thinking, Mom, why don't you buy that bag? It wasn't very expensive, and always wanting my mom to buy one of those purses. Ever since then, I've just really, really liked bags that have extra pockets, like on the outside, which is probably like why I like my Hudson from Louis Vuitton, or another bag I know I would like, I don't have, but would be the, okay, I just had the name, is it Madison? Manhattan, that's it, Madison. The Manhattan, I like the Coach bags with the 2 pockets here, whose name's escaping me right now, but that bag, the way they made it, or have been making it recently, is just a little too small for me. But yeah, I mean, like throw some extra zipper compartments or pockets on a bag, and like I'm a happy girl. So I am really pleased with this. I don't remember what it cost. I think it cost a little bit more than the normal Rowan. Okay, yeah, they got the other price on here. Um, yeah, like I can read it. Yeah, they have 325 on here. It wasn't that much. It was like, was it like 210 or something? Um, I love it, and I was worried about how the leather was gonna feel because I watched Chris from Mad Hatter Bags. He unboxed one of these too, and that's okay. That's how it got started. So if Mick was here, he'd probably say Chris is on the list. He opened 3 different Love Leather items, and I saw this and I loved it, and I had to have it. And I thought he had said something about the leather feeling a little different, but this to me feels very similar, if not the same, as my tabby. So it's nice and gushy, and yeah, and it's got some more hardware. So yeah, that's what I have for you today. Just the regular Rowan, only with now the pockets added, which I think is really super cool. There's a men's bag that's very similar to this too. Is it the Compass? I don't think. Maybe it is the Compass, but I really like this one. I already know I like the shape. We know I like a good Rowan, not Rogue, although Rogues are nice too. But I'm just really excited. So, just wondering, did you guys pick up anything from this? I really still like the dark brown in the Love Leather. The more natural color's nice too, or the green. But there's something about this brown that really speaks to me, even more than the green. I'm like, who am I lately? I had to go right into my Dooney and Burke bag, which is to me a very similar color to this. And now I got this one. I think it's just gorgeous. I don't know what's happening. I'm starting to like neutrals and browns and blacks, and it's crazy. But this is really nice. This is really nice. I really like it too because the leather just feels, I don't know, feels different than well, obviously it feels different than the canvas, but it also feels different than the other leathers because usually the leathers are the pebbled leather. So this more smooth is just, I don't know. I'm just loving it. I like how mine's got the discoloration. It's just a pretty bag. So, yeah, that's what I have for you. I'm almost thinking that maybe what I'll do is when I switch my bags, because this week I'm in my Dooney in the, is it Tomorrow Brown? I want to say Tomorrow Chocolate, but I think it's Tomorrow Brown is the color. I might switch from that bag into this bag on Monday, and just kind of compare them size-wise. This one's definitely lighter than that one, but size-wise, color-wise, things like that, just to show you. So I think that's what I'll do for my bag swap. And yeah, that's what I have for you today. Coming up, I have another unboxing, some other little things to show you. I'm going to do a small vlog sale. I'm not sure when that'll be. I'm probably thinking next Wednesday. We'll do it. It'll just be a few small things. Primarily gonna, I think, be my Dooney, and I think almost everything is Dooney and Burke, but we'll see. But I'll do that. I'll put sales so you'll know. Yeah, I think that's everything for today. So, if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it. I do put out these videos on Wednesdays and Sundays in regards to both luxury and contemporary handbags and small leather goods. On Monday nights, I do bag swap videos where I swap from my current bag into my new bag, give you a little bit of information about both, also switch out all my small leather goods. Occasionally a video will come up on a Thursday, and if it's not because I missed my Wednesday video, it will be a book related video where I'll do a book haul, show you what I've been reading, or talk about what I've been reading, what I want to read, something to do with books. If you haven't found me over on Instagram, I'm there as well at James Jam. It's just JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.